Hey again, everybody. This is what I was talking about with the look of the gray and the stained pine. This little cabinet I made when I had an Atlas horizontal shaper and one over here that I use for basically like a drill press stand. This is an old Shopsmith Model 10 ER that I had built a milling machine years and years ago, and took it apart when I got the Bridgeport and converted this thing, built a little cabinet down below. So I kind of like how that looks, and I may do that with this cabinet over here, not quite sure. But at least I wanted to show you the doors that are glued and dry. They're drying now. It has the Lexan inside, and got the clamps on, bar clamps on to let them dry. Just finished setting that one together, and the other one is over here. So Lexan is so clear you can't even hardly tell it's there. So pretty excited about getting those things done and getting the cabinet. The next thing, obviously, tomorrow the doors will be dry. I can fit them to the cabinet, fit some hinges to them, some little handles. I'll use some magnetic catches probably. Finish up and sand the cabinet, paint it. Probably paint it at least gray on the outside because I like that, gray or black. And then the inside, probably paint that white so it's reflective, and it'll be easier to find tools and things that are stored there. And then, like I said, the doors, who knows, we'll either paint them or maybe stain them to match. So there we have it. Tonight's update. Thanks for watching. I'll keep y'all posted.